2019 Cadillac CT6 V Sport 4.2 TT, 2019 Cadillac CT6 Platinum, 2019 Cadillac CT6 V8, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Cadillac brand. The title of the article we take is 2019 Cadillac CT6 V Sport 4.2 TT, 2019 Cadillac CT6 Platinum, 2019 Cadillac CT6 V8, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Cadillac CT6 V Sport 4.2 TT, 2019 Cadillac CT6 Platinum, 2019 Cadillac CT6 V8, new cars by. The 2019 Cadillac CT6 is smarter and more powerful, but will that put it on more drivers' radars? The 2019 Cadillac CT6 offers all on paper that a flagship luxury sedan should. It's stylish, a technological leader, and it has one of the industry's most advanced semi-autonomous driver assist systems. For 2019, it adopts a new twin-turbocharged V8 engine. As cool as a 550 HP luxury sedan is, the CT6's taller, more stylish skin is what you'll see first. The minor changes offer a timely mid-cycle update, new headlights and taillights and lightly updated fascias, but their cumulative impact is slight. The headlights scowl ahead, and along with the LED ribbons that flank them, complement the wider and slimmer grille. This is a very handsome car from the front, but not new. The 2019 CT6 evolves Cadillac's traditional vertical taillights, by adding an element that bleeds into the trunk where it meets a chrome strip that spans the width of the lid. It's less successful than the updated fascia. The front end looks wider, but the new rear looks too narrow. The 4.2-liter twin-turbo V8 also serves in the CT6 Platinum, albeit in a detuned mode that produces 500 HP. Cadillac hasn't detailed the engines in the 2019 beyond its new toy, but they're likely carryover items from last year. That should mean a 2.0-liter Turbo 4, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6, and a plug-in hybrid with at least 31 miles of range. We'll update this if we hear differently from Cadillac. It's also an open question as to whether the CT6 V Sport's new 10-speed automatic will join the range's less powerful engines. The current CT6 uses a family of 8 speeds. Active safety will continue to play a major role in the CT6, as it remains the only Cadillac to offer the company's Super Cruise semi-autonomous driving assist system. Cadillac skips Super Cruise in the high-performance CT6. If you want the V8 and Super Cruise, go for the CT6 Platinum. In Super Cruise, the CT6 ticks all the other boxes for active safety. Automatic emergency braking helps prevent collisions and active lane control keeps it in the white lines. A surround view camera system helps with tricky parking lot maneuvers, while emergency braking also functions while driving in reverse. Night vision cameras can make driving in the dark easier. Prices for the 2019 Cadillac CT6 have not yet been announced. It goes on sale in late 2018. Thanks.